everyone, welcome to my channel Aliza Fashion Beauty, and today we are going to be learning about how to apply a basic liner. We all knows how essential and important is a basic liner in daily life. So without talking much, let's proceed. I have already done my brows. It's a daily makeup, so I'm gonna take a very lighter pink shade for eyes. I'm using my fingers. You can also use a brush, a very light peachy pink. Okay, so always start your liner from the center of your lid, not from the inner corner, not from here. Okay, in a starting, take a very thin product in a brush. Why take a less product? Because even if you just smudged out your liner, you can correct it out easily. Draw a very thin line. Out your whole lid. Even if you're applying a very thin liner, always start, even if you're applying a very thick liner, always start with a thinner. So yes. So, and now guys, my favorite part of the makeup, mascara. So it's done and your G2G means good to go. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Take care. Love you and bye bye.